What is up with the fact that every time I open things off camera, I get extremely lucky? I decided to open just one booster bundle of Black Bolt. And guess what? I pulled none other than the Zekrom. It is honestly a stunning card. Like, I didn't even want to take it from the top loader, but I have to show you guys. Look how rainbow colored it is. So yeah, anyway, guys, I thought I would let you know that happened. Let's open some White Flare, see if we get the Reshiram this time. Not this clown again. He's fine. I already have him. I think I have 3 of these now. Oh my god, is the Pringles guy illustration rare? I am so happy about this. Oh, it's so cute. Such a cute card. I think I have 3 of these now, but not mad at all. Master Ball. Last pack magic. I know I'm repeating myself, but I legit have like 3 or 4 of these now. I really want the first evolution IR of this one because it's so pretty. Okay, even though we didn't get the white chicken, I'm still pretty happy with the pulls. That's a lot of hits. Also, I realized that this isn't an illustration rare. It's a secret art rare, so that's a little more valuable. Such a cool card. Love me some Pringles guy. That is it, you guys. Until next time. Bye.